Hello, good morning. Welcome to another ES Futures trading stream. Today is Wednesday, February 28th. It is 9:10 a.m. Eastern Time in the US. Now, let me post, just do the usual posting on Twitter that the streaming is on. Alright. Okay. Let's check, what's happening in the markets. Something weird happened yesterday. No, when the bond market closed before yesterday, this was just weird, man. Now we have this close, and suddenly the market just opened with a huge gap here. I don't know what happened. But when markets has these kind of gaps, they don't close the gap kind of like right away. Something must have happened here. And the weird thing is that the 30 didn't do that, just the 15. Okay, that's something here. It seems like it's selling coming from those levels now. We can see a trend here, trend to the downside here, but still these markets are far from, there's less, more than half the distance to the low still to go. I will start paying more attention to these markets when they are close to this area, to these lows. But it seems, I was checking this market. It seems like there was, big, kind of like a big deal correlation between these markets and ES. And the main thing I have, for what is going on now, is that this contract doesn't have too much left. Only a couple weeks more, it will be replaced by June contract. Yesterday, the ES was bought from previous high, and now we have a breakout, was bought exactly from that level, a couple of ticks from that level. We have a 4-day range in Nasdaq, kind of like a trend that is starting, but you can see how systematic the selling is being made here. Looks more like long liquidation here. We will talk about that next also. The Dow is the one that looks the weakest here, because the Dow now has taken previous high out. It traded below and closed it inside this range here. It has explored inside this range. It wasn't rejected, or at least not yet. Right? Taking this level back, we can make new highs here. If it keeps trading lower here, the first thing, I think this is something that can be acting like a magnet here. There's a big gap here. A lot of fingerprints, and markets have a tendency to try to fill the gap, right? This one in particular This is a huge gap here, what we have here. Nasdaq as well. But Nasdaq has a perfect balance. Not a, well, I guess I overstated. It's not a perfect balance, but it looks more like a balanced range. When markets are in balance, there is odds that a resolution can give us some opportunities there. Now, checking the ES, we can see here, right? This is the monthly is unchanged. Monthly is unchanged. The weekly is starting to, this is another sign of weakness in the weekly. There was one here, buying started for the trend, another one here, another one here, and now another sign of weakness here. I'm not saying this market is going to break. Okay, I'm not saying that. But signs of weakness are showing now also in the weekly. The daily. The structure of the daily is really bad. Look at how many gaps this market has, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 gaps. It's it is a sign of emotional markets here. Very systematic trading going on, buying and selling. In every single trend, small, medium, or large that this market had, you can just place a trade and all the highs will fit and all the lows will fit. Also a sign of what kind of market we are in. It has been the case since the late part of 2023. It hasn't changed. This low is weak. It's questionable in the ES. Alright? It's questionable. Let's check Nasdaq. I usually don't check Nasdaq. Still far from support. Notice how here support is also the close of the gap here. Alright. What else can I do here? What the big techs are doing? Look at it. Look at what is this? What is this? Google buying from the 50. This thing can break really bad. How many times has been bought from this level? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is Apple. Boy, this has tremendous potential to break here. I'm not saying it's going to. Okay? I'm not saying that. Gap in Amazon, Microsoft, the same craziness that we can see in the indices. I've been seeing here as well. Trending higher, in range, consolidating gains. Is this short covering? No, it seems, yeah, has been closed. Yeah, the gap has not been closed yet. Very big gap here. And again, I think this stock here is one of the most unbelievable ones that we have here. The concentration the market has on these few stocks is just really high, and that's a danger as well. That adds risk to the market. Now, yesterday, every single rally was being sold. Mechanically sold. Is a continuation of the previous day activity. I don't know what is going on here with my charts, because they are not being saved. Let's see if okay, yeah, this is 3 white here, this is weak here. Uh, Yesterday's high is exactly 227 at 222. Late pullback low. The daily low, this is previous all-time high. Daily low, mechanical low, this is weak. Okay? It's a weak and pull 227 low. And it's weak because it's close to this level, and this pull because you have now this market has been bought how many times from this area? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? There's a lot of stops here. And what do we have here below? Nothing really. Absolutely nothing here. That's why I call it weak and poor. I'm going to erase this. I don't want. This is a previous all-time high. That is being used as support, and from years from this day as well, there is a really an impressive amount of it wasn't there. These blue lines here belong to yesterday. There's a I'm confused now. Okay, there's a big block here. This one is not a reference saddle. There's a big block here. This one also blocks, but leave it alone, doesn't matter now. This was daily hardback at the time, and this here also, because it was set up, I'm going to cancel this. I may leave this one just in case. No, hell no. Let's get rid. I don't want to get too much things here. Okay. This can be something interesting. Overnight distributions close for the intraday. To monitor what the market does on the opening. Weak high, weak low, no support whatsoever, tremendous gap here. I don't know what these things are. Really don't know. Let's get rid of these things. There's nothing here. Gap close here, an important reference. Weak highs here, here. This one was corrected. Yeah, yes sir, that was corrected. This was so in the same way how this was bought from hardback. This day there was sold from hardback, and there is a tremendous amount of stops just about the 5100. If this market comes back close to 51, I mean they're good also, that level is going to fall. The market can have a spike here to the upside. Now, I'm not saying that's going to happen, but you know, if by any chance the market gets close by, that's the information that I wanna have on hand. I am not feeling good. I feel like I'm about to get sick today. I'm not that focused on the market. When that happens, you know, whenever you are not focused, whenever I am not focused, I have a tendency to make silly mistakes. So more likely I'm not going to be trading today. Okay, let me save this now. Oh, where is Settle? Settle is 1590. 1590. Oh. It's a very, you know, treacherous market. We have what we have, what we are having now. I don't think anybody would be interested, you know, anybody with buying power in buying this market, right? You know, knowing that it has only 2 more weeks to go. And if you have the power, you'd rather wait, you know, start buying the next contract. For the day, for today, for the opening, if the market opens where it is right now, we will have an inside opening. Opening inside previous day range is an advertisement for chop. You know, also rotation are also high. The closer to the center of the range, the higher the odds we're going to have it chop and rotation. Now, the exception to that guideline is when the market fingerprint is way out of the previous day range. That is what happened to the market yesterday. The market opened, you know, kind of like at the low, and it just, you know, opened here, and you can see it's fingerprinted is way down outside of the range. Fingerprint is way down. It's a sign of weak market. And now the next thing to monitor is value. Value is overlapping to low. Value is lower actually, not even overlapping. You know, and the last thing I want to do here, maybe in this area you can have some, you know, buy. I thought that the buy that came from this level here, well, was going to be, you know, kind of like a rebalancing of this short. Maybe stay inside over here, or maybe close to this area. But I never expected the market to come back all the way up and take the daily high as well. Right now, overnight inventory is 100% short. We have, I wouldn't say we have a spike, but this is GDP. You know, and the market seems like it's going to open inside the spike, so pretty much nothing happened here. Inventory is very short. You know, be aware of that. Counter-action to overnight inventory is a rally. Okay, there's a rally. The market fingerprint is way out of previous day range. I don't know, maybe can that happen today again? But this time to the upside? Who knows? Right? Who knows? I don't know anything about what this market is going to do. I remain neutral. I try to remain neutral at all times. And try to get rid of biases, you know, as well, using market generated information. Okay, the market is about to open. We have less than a minute. Let me take a screenshot of this market right now. Oh, yesterday we have some volume, but you know, volume is relevant when the market has direction. It didn't have direction yesterday. No, so. Let me close this. 5 seconds to the opening. Market is open. Counter-action in progress. Market open. inventory overnight inventory is super short. It's very short. Low volume. The market is making an attempt to counteract. I'm going to show you something here. You know, this volume here. This is the chunk of the volume from yesterday. Gray. On here. Hold it all the way down to here. Did you see that? You didn't even get into that. It is, you know, only 1 minute into the session. This is the base from all the late rally. This is when everything started. These big chunks here. And notice where the market is, right between this one and this one. Yeah. Which one is going to fall first? Who knows? Have no idea. I don't expect anything. I just watch and observe, and that's the job of any trader. Watch and observe and wait for the market to give you an opportunity. The areas of volume yesterday on Nasdaq are way up here. All right. Look at that. Is that low going to be taken? This low is very questionable here. We may have a spike here, like boom, boom. If this low is taken, then the market can come back all the way up to here and still be a downside day. So be careful. Alright, that low has been taken. Now what is this? Look below on failure. Market has singled its way out of previous day range again, second day in row. Traders are very excited now, shorting the market. Remember, overnight inventory is 100% short here. I will go ahead and, I guess I can erase all of this now. This is the second time the market is coming through this area from this day. I left these ones here because there was just significant amount of volume here on this day, really huge. That's why I leave it there. Okay. Let's see here you have a counter-reaction to overnight inventory. Oh, by the way, this is not a reference. This also is not anymore. Not this one. Not this one. Okay. What happened here? What happened here? This has been corrected. All this buying came exactly from the hardback. That's not. All this has been corrected. Where's Settle? So Settle's way up here, last here. Has no X. Nasdaq has no X's here and no X's here. It has good X's though. Good all-time high here. Easy. Right. Basically, all the loans from yesterday have been taken out. And there is good supply here. So overnight has all this trading is going to the downside. So if there is anything to the upside, there should be something here that market can use to rally. Something that I don't like from the market that has got out of previous day range is I don't want that market to come back inside. Coming back inside and pretty much retracing the whole thing. It doesn't speak well of the strength, of the weakness, right? Now the selling is not that good. It's not as weak as price wants me to believe. This market is not as weak as price is advertising. There's a lot of back and forth from this area. And on this area here is from this day. This is the 22nd. Oh no, right? Yeah. Many times. All the time what's happening now has a lot to do with what happened before. Now we're looking to the upside here actually, but value is lower. Alright. Now upside continuation, we see the market taking half back here and then getting back inside value area here, taking half back here and trading towards POC. Nasdaq looked better yesterday than ESD. ESD is just value lower, POC lower, everything moving lower all day long. We never get inside. Value never get inside previous day. Inside previous day value area. Any questions or comments? Please let me know. Ooh, look at that, man. We have some thousands here. We have here, all this. Ooh, come on. Oh boy. Oh. This can be a good opportunity here. Still don't know which direction. 40, here, same volume. We can have, maybe we can have the same volume as yesterday. It's not bad. That's not bad. This one has been corrected. This one has been corrected as well. As you can see, I don't have much to say here. Just watching. And Bitcoin is rallying. You know, everything is beautiful. Nothing can go wrong here. The Fed is going to cut the rates. Oh, by the way, how was GDP? GDP 3.2, forecast 3.3. Huh. GDP is contracting. Oh, look at this. Look at the thousands here. This is something here. There is something here at the beginning. Here as well. What? It's not that often that you see this kind of volume from the opening. Just have to have patience here. I know, which is most people don't have. Let's just all remember this. What I'm going to do, I'm going to erase, I'm going to delete. I know that there is a lot. I don't know what this is, right? What this could have been buying before, and now they can be buying again. Okay, but if the market keeps trading, if those were buyers, they will be forced to liquidate. Remember, down below, this market has absolutely nothing here. It's empty. There's a void here. The market just needs a little bit of pressure to the downside, a little bit of volume to break. Seems it looks like a house of cards. And actually, a break is going to be good for the market. The best thing that can happen to this market is a break here. Notice where this market was bought from here, right? This area. Now the same thing is happening. I want to remove these guys here. You out, it leaves me you out as well. Has good volume here. The ES hasn't traded outside. It's still an inside day. That's not the case for Nasdaq. But what worries me here is that this market has, the amount of overnight inventory is impressive. I mean, the amount short. The 30-year bond is having a significant break here. That's something there. questions. I still haven't seen anything here. The openings are very hard to trade. If you trade the openings, you're constantly going short, going long, going short, going short. Just take a look at your performance. You know how many times you went right, how many times you make profits, and then compare to the times that you were wrong and the times that you have losses. You know, dollar for dollar, how good is that? If it's break even, it makes no sense, right? There's a lot of stress that comes trading here, trading the openings. If you have a lead gain, I still believe it's not worth. It's just as too much risk, right? You're just risking too much for such, for little gains. If you have proof, repeated gains, significant gains, well, keep doing it. I don't trade the opens. I learned the hard way not to do it. Sometimes worth. Right, like yesterday was one of those days when the market single pins way out. There was something there. Also, when the market has a gap, right, the market tries to fill the gap and fails. That is something too. I'm going to put this one back. This one here. Did you see where this market was bought? This low, right? No. These buyers have been removed. Now they are selling from this level now. Market's out of balance. Nothing here, my friends. Nasdaq is trying to break here. This low is very questionable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times being bought from the same area. $50 or 20 minutes into the first period. There's a lot of back and forth around yesterday's low. Did you see that, or can you see that? Oh my man, look at this. I see 10,000 here. This is good. Is this single period? I mean single inter, yeah. Yes, this is one interval. It's not double. Now we have more volume here coming today than yesterday. Yesterday the highest volume at any given level was kind of like 5,000 or 6,000. I guess I saw one couple of 6,000 over there. Now this is something here. This is something here. Gosh, I went short the ES instead. I mean to go short the Nasdaq. God damn it. Make a mistake there. Gosh. When the market came through this area, that's why but I short the ES instead of shorting Nasdaq. God. Oh boy, no, but I'm keeping because it's buying from I'm not going to give it too much room here. Now I'm moving to break even there. So I'm not willing to give it any room here. You know, I will just stop out that. I'll scratch a trade here. You know. The thing is, there is nothing here below, my friends. There's nothing here. This is going to be important reference here. Intraday reference. This is yesterday's low. Kind of like having hard times here. Some volume is coming here. 900. Oh, did you see that? 1000. There is a very emotional here short in this market. After they saw in the overnight. They make a stand here. That's how it rise here, but it has volume here. Can we have a range between this and this? I'm going to erase these things. Oh, this is yesterday's low. This is too much here now. This is, I don't know what this level is, what that green dots are. It's a day to the downside so far. The market is trying to go in the direction of the overnight trade. The market is outside of yesterday's range. Did the market seem to print its way out of the previous day range yesterday? Yeah, he did it. I mean, Nasdaq is doing it again, the same thing. I mean, traders do what work until it doesn't work anymore. We have more volume here. You know, can you see this volume? 5,000 medium volume. Today's medium volume is yesterday's high. So this is not bad. Got another one here. Tomorrow we have PCE or CPE. PCE, right? The favorite indicator. Fed's favorite indicator. A little bit lower volume than yesterday. Inside bar. Look at this. see this a lot. Anyway, this is not coincidence. The market is selling from this level here. What the heck is it? Oh, come on. The 900 here. Can the ES play the inside bar? It looks like this market looks like somebody's trying to catch a knife here. And not catching bottoms here. Can you see how this volume is being eaten away by this period? Now this high is not good. It will need to come back all the way up to here to be to be better. It's really close to this low. Taking this low for the market goes to half back. Any comments here? Don't have much to say here. Alright, I'm not feeling good here. And I need to take some. I need to maybe take a nap or rest a little bit. I'll have to go. I have to leave you. There are in Nasdaq has these two areas of balance. The market has got outside previously range, which sign as weakness, which is a sign of weakness. ES is still inside yesterday's range. Below we don't have such a good structure. There's tremendous gap here. There's nothing here. This is just adding more weakness to this level here. So be careful here. There's a lot of short-term trading going on here. I believe, it looks like pure short-term trading going on. And let the market settle. Just give it some time. Hopefully, the market will show its hand. All right. See you guys. Have a good rest of the day. Stay safe. Bye bye.